Portable smart TVs are becoming one of the fastest-growing categories in the smart display market. Combining the convenience of a tablet with the viewing experience of a TV, these mobile touchscreen displays offer wireless connectivity, battery-powered operation, and flexible movement between different environments. They are widely used in education, business meetings, events, retail displays, fitness training, and interactive experiences. When choosing a portable smart TV manufacturer, buyers should consider more than just the screen size. Important factors include touch technology, battery life, mobility design, software compatibility, hardware performance, and customization options. Ikinor provides OEM and ODM portable smart TV solutions for global brands, distributors, and project partners, offering customized designs, flexible configurations, and integrated hardware and software support. With the right portable smart display, businesses can create more flexible and engaging user experiences.